It is said that the world of mental pictures and deep spiritual insights can be discovered simply by gazing at a candle flame. This is not a fantasy, but a real and ancient meditation called Fire Kasina. This exploration will delve into this simple but powerful technique, a way to gently awaken the mind's eye and open the door to a more profound connection with oneself. The practice is a form of Kasina meditation, an ancient Buddhist technique for developing deep, one-pointed concentration. The Pali word Kasina means entirety, and the practice is centered on focusing on a single object so completely that the mind becomes absorbed by it. There are 10 traditional kasinas, including earth, water, and various colors. But fire is often considered one of the most powerful for creating vivid inner experiences. This technique is described in ancient meditation manuals like the 5th century Visuddhigama. For centuries, people have used Fire Kasina to calm the mind, sharpen their focus, and access profound meditative states. In fact, many dedicated practitioners report having mystical experiences that they describe as one of the most intense and transformative moments of their lives. Here is how we practice the Kasina meditation. To begin, the practitioner prepares their space. The practice calls for a quiet and dark room, and hence it is recommended to be practiced at night. Afterwards, you're welcome to turn on your own candle. However, due to safety reasons, it is recommended to use a candle video. I've provided one, it's up there, and its link is also in the description. Then find a comfortable place, either sitting on a chair, on the floor, standing, or even laying down. The candle should be positioned about arm's length away, with the flame roughly at eye level. The practice begins by centering the awareness on the breath, taking slow, deep breaths to relax the body and mind. Any tension held in shoulders, jaw, or muscles around the eyes should be consciously released. Then, the eyes softly open to rest a gentle gaze on the candle flame. There is no need for intense staring. The idea is not to analyze the flame, but simply to receive its presence and its light. The gaze rests on the brightest part of the flame, steady and unwavering, yet always soft. The breath should also remain natural. After a minute or two of gazing, the eyes are softly and gently closed. As the eyes close, an after image of the flame typically appears, floating in the mind. This spark of light becomes the new point of focus. In the Buddhist tradition, this is known as nimitta, which means a sign. All attention rests on the after image, its color and its shape. It might drift, pulse, or change. The only task is to watch it without judgment. Attention is held on this image for as long as it lasts. When the image fades completely and the mind is in darkness, the eyes should gently open, and the gaze lands on the candle flame once more. This cycle is repeated. The soft gaze settles back on the flame, allowing its light to imprint itself on the mind again. The journey of Fire Kasina may at first bring only a sense of calm and focus, but with consistent practice, it can open up a rich inner world of light and insight. While this meditation is beautiful, it is not flawless, and there are certain side effects. In long sessions, there is a possibility of eye strain or discomfort. Also, some practitioners report confusion, agitation, fear, or other challenging psychological states. Although these side effects occur rarely, it is my responsibility to let you know about them. For those interested in exploring deep meditation techniques, this channel has and will continue to offer more guides. Hence, if you're interested in this type of video, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and hitting the notification bell. As always, I wish you joy and growth.